Hello, and welcome to this PowerNote training video. In this video, we're going to look at how you can reduce the number of clicks to select terms by the use of macros. So I've already gotten into PowerChart and I've got a note pulled up here, and I've moved down to the physical exam area of that note. And just to kind of show you what we're going to be able to create when we're done demonstrating how to build the macro is essentially you'll have a blue M representing that macros are available at various points throughout the note where you have built them. And if you left click on that macro, you'll see the title for a macro. In this case I only have the one, but you can have multiple macros built that produce different results. But essentially when I click on that macro, you'll notice that it goes ahead and selects all of the terms that I used to build that normal physical earlier when I did my build steps. So that's what a macro is able to do and save us a lot of clicking, particularly for repetitive things that you'll often be putting in on the same patient or different patients, but often use that same information. So here's how we build them. First off, I'm going to start off by clearing so that we essentially have a blank space within that paragraph. So the first thing I'm going to do is I go through this particular paragraph and just select the terms that I want in this case, a normal physical exam. Okay, so now that I've got my macro built out with all of the terms that I want selected, the next step that I'm going to do is, since this goes and spans multiple sentences, is I'm going to go to the next level up, which is the paragraph. So from the paragraph, I'm going to right click on the word, then choose Save Macro As. I'll be prompted with a particular Save As box, and in there I can give this the name that I want. So I'm going to call this Physical Exam Normal 2. And the title that you put in here really is just something that you need to place that's meaningful for you as an end user. It's nothing that's going to show up anywhere in the patient's chart. I'll select Create New, and now I have created that particular macro. So let me show you how you'll be able to use that in the future. So again, I'm going to go ahead and clear this information. And with the blue M present, I'm going to left click, and you'll notice there's the new macro that we just created. Simply left click on that item, and there are all those terms selected, just how we built the macro out. Now from here, if you need to make some changes, you can still do that. So all of this information you can still edit so that you can make it patient specific, but obviously doing just the 2 or 3 clicks that I did just now is a lot less than the 15 or 17 clicks that it may have taken to build that out from a completely blank environment. So that's how we build macros to help build efficiency and save clicks inside of PowerNote. Thanks for joining me on this PowerNote training video. Please check out all the additional videos we have for PowerNote functionality, tips, and tricks.